Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create templates in Gmail. Okay, so let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so if you're using corporates and if you want to if you need to send the same email format or template to many people, so you can save your templates in Gmail and you can use as per your requirement. So how you can do this? So let's start with the video. So before you start, okay, so let's start with the video. For this you have to make some setting. Go to the setting and click on see all setting, and here you have to go in advanced. In advanced you will see the option templates. Just enable it, okay, and just save it. Come back to the Gmail now. After save, now compose any email, okay, compose a new mail, and okay, write subject anything, test templates. I just write some format to know. Okay, dear sir, I would like to introduce our services. For inquiry, call on this is okay. Just thanks. Now after complete your templates, you can save it by clicking this three dot. Go to the templates and click on save this draft and save a new templates. Give the name like in inquiry templates. Ignore the spelling mistake. Just save it. Now when you come to and create a new compose mail, you can just insert this template. Go to the three dot, go to the templates, and you can insert this template to your mail. Okay, it will be inserted and with subject. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.